What we saying, boys? Let's go to this real quick. What we saying, boys? What we saying, man? We just go live on TikTok, boys. Oh, come on now. Don't take the piss here. Oh, man, are you joking? Bro, man. This is how shit fucking all these apps are, bro. My storage is full, so I can't... Oh my god, boys. I can't... I can't put the YouTube link. I can't put the YouTube link on my Instagram because my storage is full. Make that make sense. Like, genuinely make that make sense. All right. I genuinely can't send out my announcement because my storage is full. It doesn't even let you delete videos either. What we saying, chat? Bro, come on, man. Come on. Bro, I can't load anything on my phone. My storage is full and I can't load fucking photos to delete them. Come on. Come on, man. Don't need any of these fucking videos. Just fuck off out of my phone. Fuck out of my phone, you silly fuckers. And shit don't even delete, bro. You can't even delete shit when your storage is full. Like, it makes such little sense. Bro, I can't delete shit. See, look at this video, yeah? Delete it to fucking get storage. It's still there. Sick. So I can't promote it on my Instagram because my storage is full. Sick. Sick. Oh, mate. What a fucking joke. My vote's fucked as well. Chat, it's not a good morning. It's not a good morning at all. It's not a good morning at all, boys. Let's get rid of this fucking shit sell limit, by the way. So I'm not getting in this. It's been a shit morning, boys. It's been a shit morning. It's been an L morning. Undeniably an L morning. I've already taken an L on GU. Oh my god, I can't paste links, bro. My phone can't paste links. What the fuck? Bro. Bro, come on, man. I don't know how I'm going to send the Discord announcement out, chat. Because I can't fucking paste anything and it won't let me delete any apps. Let me delete some of these fucking apps. That can go. That can go. Let me know what we're looking at, people. Might as well get rid of the fucking ACG app because that never works either. Grab. Might as well get rid of that. CV can fuck off. Barclays can fuck off. What are we looking at though, boys? What are we looking at, man? Let me know what trades we're looking at, boys. Let me know what trades we're looking at. Fucking bullshit, man. I've just deleted about 10 apps. Let's see if it lets me now. Wow, so it lets me after I delete 10 apps. You greedy, greedy bastard. Absolute greedy bastard, these apps. Alright, sweet. Alright, cool. Let's run it up. Let's run it up, boys. Let me know what pairs we're looking at. I got done on GU this morning, so. Yeah, this week's definitely been harder than last week. I'll give you. Oh, come on, bruv. Let me know what you lot are looking at, man. Yeah, we took an L on GU. Market's moving erratic, boys. It's not trending at all. Not trending at all. Oh, mate. I don't even have a vape this morning either, which is actually going to piss me off. I think I've got some shitty one. Alright. Fuck. Yeah, let me know what pairs you man are looking at, boys. Let me know what pairs we're looking at this morning. What we saying, boys? Say yeah if you're in here. Yeah, the market is moving very, very erratic recently. Very erratic. getting a lot of choppy days. A lot of choppy days, man. Tricky, you, do you think we keep moving higher? Yeah, at this point I do, bro. Just think we're going to continue the trend at this point. End of the day, we've got a lot of shit on our chart as well. Kind of need to remove all that. But yeah, I do think we are bullish right now, bro. Let's get rid of this as well. This is not really that important. Yeah, I do think we continue higher at this point, boys. At this point. I reckon we get EUG sales in New York. Yeah, man, the market's just moving mad erratic. We're not really... It'll be massively moving in one direction, then massively moving in the other. We want a bit of consolidation. Not consolidation, I mean continuation. Like, there's been nothing really. Like, if you look at Monday, got Monday massively bullish, 70 pip day to the upside. Yesterday massively bearish, 70 pips to the downside. Today again massively bullish. So we're getting really, really big bullish days, then really big bearish days, and then vice versa. So it's difficult right now. 2% down, 4.7% drawdown. Don't worry, bro. It's calm. You'll make that back. Got to be disciplined and lock in, and we'll make that back. Let me know who's in here, boys. Yeah, I'd be looking for buyers, man. I'd be looking for buyers. Wouldn't be looking for sells anymore. Sales are going to get cooked. We're going to seek out higher prices. Let's have a look where we can get any re-entries on this. Even after a quick FEG like that. What are you saying? Morning Victor, morning Morgs, morning Sam, John, what are you saying? Jed, Fletch, User, what are you saying? The channel grand, trust me, bro. What are you saying, Mehmet? What are you saying, Aaron? What are you saying, Trap? Josh, what are you saying, boys? What are you saying, Mehmet? Jeff, what are you saying? GU plus EU shorts. Yeah, I got cooked on GU shorts, so I'm not getting any shorts anymore. I missed my entry this morning after a 7-day drought. I got complacent, gutted. What was that entry, bro? Jim Bob signal? Yeah, I'll have a look at that, bro. I'm waiting to see if the DXY hits the 4-hour FEG, see how the market reacts. Fair play, bro. What are you saying, Troy? What are you saying, David? What are you saying, Trap? Looking at EuroCAD longs possibly. Fair play, bro. We'll get into that. Was you looking at GU short? Yeah, I was, bro. EU long, yeah, EU long's looking nice. DXY not too clear, gonna give USD pairs a miss. Fair play, bro. UJ, alright, I'll have a look at UJ. EU sells from 15-minute FVG. That's what I was looking at, bro, but I don't trust it, man. I don't trust EU sells. Don't trust EU sells at all, really. DXY's prior week high and CRT high for targets following trend. What do you think? I'm looking at EU shorts. What are you saying, Imran? What are you saying, Rudy? Yeah, basically on the DXY, the daily chart, in terms of the internal, external, we just get rid of this quickly. You can see we've got the internal order block, so we want to really be trading lower. So we just want to keep it simple, considering this chopping, anything. You just want to get that move there, get that move down. Also, ideally trade back into this value area. Trade back down into this value area would be nice. And then GU, similar thing on GU. You can see on GU we've got the internal order block, which we just tapped into here. So we want to trade up to the external high. So we want that movement there. And again, it'd be nice if we can trade back into this value area. And then basically the same for EU. EU, we've got this internal order block here, which we've just tapped into there. So really we want to buy up to the external high, or really at least into this value area. So, I mean, we are currently trading at a value area on EU anyway, so that's why we're fucking chopping ridiculously up and down. But yeah, that's why GU might be a little bit nicer. Might be a little bit nicer. Everyone drop a like on the stream, boys. I want to see if there's going to be any re-entries on longs. Okay, this is fucking hell, man. Can we stop chopping for 2 minutes? I'm going to wait for a 5 minute and then a 1 minute inversion of that. Try and get like a little 2 to 1. Don't think this is going to be the fair value gap though. Fucking hell, man. Price action this morning is terrible. Borderline untradeable right now. What are you saying, Kaya? Do you have any other references like order flow, or are you just speculating based off patterns? Fucking hell. I really want someone with a net worth of 20 quid to fucking explain to me how I'm trading wrong. That's really what I want in the morning after I've just taken a loss. I want someone that's worth less than my fucking left ball to tell me how to trade. Just get out my live, bro. I don't want to learn off you. Absolute loser. What are you saying? What were you saying though? What else was people saying? What about that G8 BBP AUD? Okay, this one's actually running. Why would you go long when price swept Asia high with market structure and with sweet market structure shift? Who told you how to trade? Jesus, man. I don't know if I got time for you. Did you take an L on GU? Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm still looking at longs. This guy in the chat's coping, saying, oh, it sells, it sells. Right, we'll see, bro. There's a volume profile on screen, bro. Yeah, literally there's a volume profile on screen. I don't know what this guy is on. Brother, I'm sorry. I swear to God, this Tota guy is the most bipolar person in the world. One day he loves me, then he hates me, then he loves me again. Then he's sorry, then he's not. We are moving a little bit. Let's see if GU comes down to a decent point as well. As I said, I'm not really interested in these DXY going higher. Wanted it to happen earlier, so it's not happened yet. I'm looking at EG. Let's have a look at JPYs, because yeah, the dollar's not the best right now. Dollar's not the best, is it, boys? Not the best at all. So let's have a look at the yen basket. The yen basket could be nice to go down. So UJ longs could be nice. UJ longs, mainly EJ and GJ longs, though, will be nice, in my opinion. So prices filled this. GJ. Fucking hell. GJ has only come into this fair value gap here. Assuming we've swept out the Asia low. Right, let's have a look what we're actually doing then. Let's have a look what we're doing. could be nice buys. Got fair value gap here to invert, and we've got a fair value gap there to invert as well. EJ, same with EJ, we've got a fair value gap here. Let's see if we can invert these. These will probably be nicer than EUG, I'm not going to lie. EUG is kind of mad right now. Hello, just hoping, do you have a bias for London? Yeah, EUG, I'm more bullish. I did take an L on GU already on sells. So yeah, I'm more just looking for price to continue higher. In fact, we haven't rejected off of this blatant ALG setup. So we had a sweep at a high, inversion, entry. And then, yeah, price is just not going to give us a nice entry really, is it? EU's moving just ridiculous. That EU and DXY is kind of untradeable right now. EU and DXY is kind of untradeable. Again, I would look for continuations, but it's difficult in this market. What's your take on UJ? Bullish, bro. Everyone drop a like on the YouTube stream, boys. Get some more man in there. Let's get some more man in the live. Get some more man in the live. Yeah, I do prefer to look at yen pairs right now, boys. EU longs, yeah, bro. Just nothing majorly to long off. I was looking at longing off this fair value gap here. But you can see price just came straight through it. Just retested it. Let's lock in on JPY pairs anyway. Let's lock in on JPY pairs. You can see GU's, I mean the pound's a little bit stronger than the euro this morning, so the most optimal is GJ. Most optimal would be GJ. If we can invert this. Bro, this song is so annoying. CRT is the way, bro. Yeah, CRT is good, bro. CRT is good. EU and GU having some bipolar price action. Yeah, trust me, bro. I'm not really trading EU, GU. This week, really, in general, it's been moving like that. But yeah, I'm not looking to really trade these. It's just too difficult to call EU, GU. There's no point. It's a mugs game. It's a mugs game this morning. EU longs, yeah, I would be prioritising EU longs, but in terms of the entry, there's just no real entries there. Just no real entries, boys. This looks a lot better for me, personally. See if Euro JPY closes above as well. If it does, that'll be nice. I don't know what they're playing at. The market's moving mad right now. Market is moving mad right now. But all this week, really. I mean, it is to be expected with the amount of news we had, but damn, like, it's next level, bro. You entered that off. You entered off that inverse, yeah, bro. Well, I mean, it hasn't come in. I want it to come back in and tap it. That's what we want. We want price to tap in and then move. Gold. Let's have a look at gold. Sick. Wow, mate, that gold was so unlucky yesterday. So unlucky. Gold, I'll just be bullish, bro. Again, there's nothing really much more to it. It keeps making the all-time highs. Literally, just buy it, bro. Literally, just buy it. Wait till it comes into a fair value gap and just buy on the fair value gap. Just whenever the name of the game on gold for these sessions is just to buy. That's literally it. Scammer sent a friend request. Okay. It's like, bro, get a job, man. Let me get rid of all the fakes out of the Discord, boys. Which pair? This is gold right now, bro. There's a few of them, to be fair. One of them's been in there for 6 days. One of them's been in there for 1 day. Bro, how do they allow this as well? Just how? Let me kick him out then. Ban. Ban. Yeah, I want GJ to come down a little bit, tap into that entry. Obviously, we do have this 15-minute fair value gap now. It's probably looking like the best setup of the day, boys. It's looking like the best setup of the day. Come on. They see 4 out of the Discord now. Come on. I don't get... Yeah, trust me. Would you rather only whisper or only shout for the rest of your life? Probably only whisper, bro. Be honest. I find people who shout bare annoying. Like people who shout in public and that. Like, bruv, you're not the main character. Sign out. Yeah, Yen basket pair. Sorry, Yen pair is definitely the way forward this morning, chat. Defo the way forward. Defo the way forward. You can see getting these dollar pairs just continuing higher. Would that have actually been a trade? I'm trying to work out. Even on the 0.5. Yeah, to be fair, that one still would be in, so we actually could have got into that one. It was just the way it come in, just insanely violently. It's just when it chops down like that into your entry, it's a bit mad, so... It's kind of still glad I didn't jump in that one. What are you saying on TikTok, though? What are you lot looking at, boys? Let me know what you man are looking at. Says the pair in the bottom right, bro. Matt Godar had this questions asked at birth. That's Matt Godar, guys. So weird, bro. Like, so strange. Like, actually, like, scary weird. Scary, 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 strange. Like, seriously, bro, that guy's actually genuinely weird. Long on UJ. Yeah, UJ, basically all yen basket pairs we're looking for longs. Fucking hell, yeah, that one got absolutely cooked. Sick. Absolutely cooked. See if we can invert the 15-minute as well. Do you trade on a funded? Yeah, bro. I have 100% win rate, bro. Fair play, mate. Over how many trades? 1. Love for that, love for that. Oh, yeah, that's what he says, isn't it? He's actually so strange, bro. Like, genuinely weird as fuck. What prop firm do you use? I'd go with ACG, bro. Best prop firm in the game, man. Use code Richesse as well to get a discount. But yeah, ACG's low-key taking over right now. Bro's jealous. Mad jealous, bro. 100% win rate, that's crazy. Yeah, as we can see, DXY just moving down. Just completely and utterly moving down. Hopefully avoided any EU-GU losses past the initial one. Come on, bro. Don't do this to us. Don't do this to us, bro. Go yard. What? G to come to Friday 50%. Yeah, most likely. Well, I mean, we're not already at that right now. Assuming we're already at Friday 50. Yeah, we're literally at it now. We're at the Friday 50 already. DXY still got room to come down though. Which forex pairs is it allowed to use on TradingView through TraderVate? I don't trade on that, bro. And how are you trading through TradingView on Alpha Cap? I'm not, bro. I'm just using TradingView to analyze. I'll enter on MetaTrader, bro. I'm Max Cadal's #1 fan. Can you not speak about him like that? Makes sense that his fan base would be someone like you, Mehmet, to be fair. Actually makes complete and utter sense, you know. Bro, why does it keep doing this as well? Stretching out the chart. Really not making it easy for us to trade. I think we're going to continue down. There may even be re-entry opportunities here. May even be re-entry opportunities. Again, what have we really tapped into for us to suddenly move? Nothing really. Something like this. Just not really enough for us to aim for. I mean, the bias is obvious. We're clearly bullish. You know what I mean? That's known. Because you can't wait for any 1 minute confirmation other than just waiting for a market structure shift. Bro, this hat is making my head itch, bro. What is wrong with this hat? Holy fuck, man. What is wrong with this pair? Okay, no market structure shift. Fuck, what is wrong with this? Oh, mate. This price action, boys, is woeful. It's one of the worst I've seen in fucking God knows how long. There was no days as bad as this in December. No days as bad as this. Anywhere near as bad as this, really. DXY is going to come back down eventually. We know it is. We know it's going to come back down. Oh my god, bro. Oh, mate, my head is just itching, bro. Oh, mate, I need to take off that hat, bro. That hat is so jarring. It's actually a joke. I need to take this fucking hat off. A fucking different one on that doesn't just bare fucking uncomfortable. Yeah, we know we're going to continue down. There's nothing to come up on DXY, nothing at all. Nothing at all to come up on, really, boys. See if we get the MSS. I missed every entry, bro. I could cry. Unlucky, bro. Looking at the charts like this is not sustainable for long term, bro. For real. Again, mans, I'm not gonna lie, bro. You as I don't need someone with a net worth of less than 30 quid or less than 3 grand to tell me anything, bro. Appreciate the advice, but I know this is sustainable. Don't know what you think trading is. It's just about identifying what way you think price is going to go and applying a strategy to get there. That's all it really is, bro. Bro, I can't wear hats, itch like mad. Yeah, bro, some of them, if they're cheap, they just do. All them caps are so cheap, they just itch bears. But, like, if you get like a beanie or something, it's normally quite a good brand, so it's a lot easier to wear. Check out GU. No worries, bro. GU again, I'd only be looking for buyers, man. Wouldn't be looking... Again, though, there's just nowhere really to actually get in. There's nowhere really to get in other than, what, this 1 minute order block, which I just wouldn't really consider at all. Yeah, there's nothing, bro. There's nothing, bro. I'm just saying, man, I mean, the long-term maths just doesn't play well. Then why are you here, bro? Why are you trading if you're saying, oh, the maths of trading doesn't work out, you can't day trade? And why are you in the live, bro? Just bare negativity. You've been in the live for about half hour and you don't think you can... Like, bro, what, like... Trading's got to be the most egotistical industry. Trust me, bro. Trust me, mate. Morning. What you saying to here? Morning, bro. I just got it, bro. You commented about an hour ago, half hour ago, saying the same shit. Like, mans, what's your net worth, bro? What's your net worth? Like, mans, what's your net worth, bro, to be like ordering us about, telling us trading doesn't work in the long term? You must be differences between market structure shift and breaker structure. So breaker structure is going in line with the trend. So when you're breaking in line with the trend. And then market structure shift is when you break a high or you break something out the side of the trend. So say we're trending down, down, and then we break a high. That's a market structure shift. I've got a model making trades as we speak. Okay, so you... Okay, so you think you can code an algorithm to trade? Sick. Bro's trading using an algorithm and says we can't be profitable long term. Okay, bro. Oh, isn't that the same as change character? Yeah, it's the exact same, bro. You long in EU. You already would have long this position, bro. I'm not trying to jump in EU right now. I'm just forward testing these trades, but yeah, obviously our entry would have been, it would have been after the MSS or after just a tap. But again, the tap was so violent. It's one of them. I don't know if you actually would have wanted to jump in there. There it was. So yeah, it's up to you, bro. You can jump in if you want. Might even come down to fill this. Which could potentially be another entry there. Might as well take gold signals at this point. Yeah, trust me, bro. It's how institutions approach the market, mate. Quant systems, advanced ones. Yeah, but bro. Oh my god. Holy cope. Bro, do you know how much goes into developing a successful quant system? Do you know how much money and manpower institutions put in? And you think you can sit there in your bedroom and just code one? Holy cope. Holy cope. That's all I'll say. I mean, good luck to you. Good luck to you. Maybe you might pull it off, but the chances of you developing an algo that's profitable long term in your bedroom on your own is probably 1 in a billion. Has it ever been done before? It's done before. It's been done before once. It's been done once before, boys. Once before. It's been done. That guy's known as the Hound of Hounslow. It's been done once. It's been done once. Once ever. And bro thinks he can do it. Bro, today I passed my challenge phase. Lovely, bro. What trade was you looking at? What did you get in on? Done it already. Spent 3 years developing. Fucking hell. What do you think of gold? Just bullish, bro. Just bullish. Which could be a good area to buy here, to be fair. Could be a good area to buy. Bro, use Python once and use ChatGPT to translate it into code. Yeah, facts. Hoping to see GU short play out from yesterday before PPI comes through. Yeah, trust me. Sounds like toasted waffle to me. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everyone's got an algo till it's time to actually show them running it and like show some results using the algo. Like if it's a work in progress, I hear it, but then if it's a work in progress, then why on earth are you saying, oh, this way of trading don't work, this way of trading don't work, if you don't even have a way that does work? I would enter here, but I was sleeping. Oh, fairs. Morning. What are you saying, Henry? Lou going ban for ban now. No, I'm not even going ban for ban, bro. It's just like, this guy's just talking bears. I've been in a position since the last week. Someone said, what returns are you getting? PA garbage. No, yeah. Price action terrible for me, bro. Terrible for me. Not gonna lie, it seems like you just got a garbage bot that you sell through C-Trader. I'm not gonna lie. Anyone can make a garbage bot. I get DMs every day like, oh, bro, I'll make you a bot, I'll make you a bot, I'll make you a bot, I'll make you a bot. Trust that hairline. I shout all the time, bro. I'm not even hiding my hairline. It's just fucking, my hair's shit this morning. And I haven't had a shower, so it's just dirty, innit? Too many quaff traders out there. Yeah, trust me, quant traders. But yeah, let us know about your bot, bro. Let us know what returns it's giving. Yeah, I also just go into random streams and say I'm the best algo trader. Yeah, facts. Facts, bro. Who doesn't? The problem is that trading is full of yellow-shirted, broccoli-headed teenagers. Yellow-shirted. What pair is this? GJ, bro. Yes, GJ missed my entry. GJ is literally just coming in now. I'm in that 5 minute. I'm going to wait again for some confirmations. But I'm not even trying to attack you. I'm just saying statistically. If you're looking for long term. Fair play, bro. Revolts you need to avoid trading pattern. And what do you think an algo does? Also not pattern trading either, but like, yeah. This is what I'm saying. It's just like you can't say stuff like, bro, I'm not even trying to attack you, but then just say the way we and everyone in the life's trading is pattern trading. Like, it's like saying, I'm not saying you're overweight, but you need to go on a diet immediately. Like, you're basically saying the same shit. Well, it is what it is though, bro, innit? Trade different. There's many types of algos, basic ones and advanced ones using auction market theory. Bro, you can manually trade AMT. That's like literally similar to what we do here. You can literally trade AMT manually. And you just said that that's pattern trading. So, I don't really know what you're on about, bro. Regime models, multi-time frame expansion. Bro, we know what auction market theory is. We know what imbalance is. Like this... Like, does bro think he's... Don't know who bro thinks he is. We know what auction market theory is. We know how it works. In fact, when I was looking at certain concepts from AMT, you said it was pattern trading. Such as these high volume nodes, low volume nodes. You were saying that was pattern trading, and that's pretty much one of the... But yeah, whatever, bro. I'm going to stop arguing with you, and you've clearly got it all worked out. Bias on EU. Just bullish, bro. Literally just bullish. This one ran as well nicely. That was on the entry on the 1 minute again. I'm not going to lie, you'd have to be a bit of a beast to actually hold that, because it came into the entry like insanely violently. But yeah, if you did actually place that trade and hold it, you're a beast, bro. You're a beast. I rate that. The M basket not really giving confirmations right now. How old you been trading? Just take it by the chin, bro. How old you been trading? This is your competition, boys. People that can't even spell properly. Yeah, I've been trading for about 5 years, bro. Bit longer, but about 5.5 years. Something like that, bro. How long have you been consistent? I was inconsistent for about 2 years. Maybe, yeah, 2 years. Maybe a bit longer. So I've been consistent for about 3 years. But again, boys, the thing is with consistency doesn't mean that you're never going to blow an account or anything like that. Even if you're consistent, trust me, you're still going to get cooked from time to time. It's just the way the game goes. But yeah, I've been able to make consistent dough out of the markets for a while. So I'm always trying to improve my consistency. Like, I'm trying to improve the life cycle of each funded account. It's a big thing with AMT, why I've introduced AMT a bit more. It is a little bit more consistent. Bro, that's the TikTok for you. Yeah, facts, bro. I'm on that now. Can't enter buy side on gold. 15-minute order block. 15-minute order block. Oh, what, this one here? Yeah, nice. Are you jumping in on that, or are you waiting for confirmations lower? Bro, I was on someone's live last night. Some Mexican guy. Some Mexican-American, bro. And he was trading on the 15-second chart. And I just thought, bro, like, this is literally your competition. Like, he was sweet, innit? He was a calm guy. But he was literally trading, like, this was his strat, right? He was trading gold as well, which is insane. But he'd literally mark out, like, don't even really know how he'd do it. He'd mark out like a 5-minute fair value gap. Then go on the 1 minute to see like price come into it. And then go on like the 15-second for a market structure shift. It's like, holy shit, bro. You actually think you're going to do anything on the 15-second chart? You on GJ? Yeah, bro. Hello, bro. What's your opinion on the markets today? Yeah, same as you, bro. Pretty stinky right now. I need a mentor, bro. How do I get in touch? Just follow me back, bro. I just dropped you a follow. Or message Aaron as well. Thoughts on your hairline? This guy's pressed. I said he couldn't spell. I'm not gonna lie. I would rather like be the most chopped person in the world with like 4 eyes and 2 legs than not be able to spell like basic things. Man spamming it in the chat as well. Look how pressed he is. Bro's pressed. Clean trade. Yeah, what was the EU? I didn't actually get in the EU. We ever gonna get any? Okay, right. Let's drag this across quickly. Now we want to see a break of this high for a market structure shift. We've actually got kind of something on the lower time frames to try and enter off of now. So let's see if we can get an entry. I think I've got the best airline here, to be fair. Mate, to be fair, I do better want to take this out of. My haircut's just shit right now, though. My hair is bare itching me, though. Hate not having a shower before I jump on stream, bruv. Bare uncomfortable, low-key. And wear glasses, technically 4 eyes. I've got 2 legs. And wear glasses are technically 4 eyes. Oh, wow, 2 legs. I think I meant 3 legs or something. Not gonna lie, I ain't gonna get in anything today, sweet boys. Sweet, John, have a good one, bro. Have a good one, brother. I've just been wheeling you second charts and as a good with it. Just whatever works for you. The 1 second chart's insane. 1 second chart is insane. Be real, the yen basket does look like it's just going to continue higher. I mean, it's a pretty nice 4-hour close within that fair value gap, but see, price is really just pushing higher. We're not looking to react off these either. So even GJ looks like it's going to be a difficult one to actually get into. Don't even think we're going to be able to get an entry on GJ, boys. Holy. Yeah, the markets are woeful today. Terrible, 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 terrible markets today. Mate, zoom out so we can see what pairs you are on. It's on the bottom right, bro. It says in the bottom right. I know you can't read, but... no, I'm joking. I'm only fucking with you. But yeah, it does sound the bottom right, bro. Might be decent re-entry soon. GU buyers potentially. What about EU? EU's back there, so it's not. It's just literally at the same level. Another DXY is going to continue down. If you trade the 1 second chart, you just got massive below. Yeah, facts. The pound quite elite. The pound quite is strong this morning and bodied everything except JPY. Stalling right now. Yeah, trust me. Morning, bro. Not the best day, is it? Nah, not at all, bro. Not at all. Yeah, this price action sucks. Right, I don't mean to keep on at you, but you do realise it, like, just an open message. No, I don't want to at it to 66 TZ again, so I feel like I'm getting onto you for no reason. But adding a Y before your U does not make you on job. By the way, boys, like if you put like if you spell U like this, U, it doesn't make you bad. It's more effort. It's literally more effort than just the normal U, and it don't actually make you on job. I don't know if you're aware of that, but yeah, I'm 23, bro. No, you're pressed. No, it's just shit like that. I've always thought that, and everyone does it, bro. I remember when I was like 16, everyone used to put like that U, because it's just like the East London. It's like the U, like raw, like you. Who do you think you are, bro? Like who do you? Like it's just that kind of accent in it. Do you know what I mean? I respect it that you come onto live and entertain us though, even on days of shit price action. Yeah, bro, I mean, sometimes you got to go through these bad days where you take L's so then you can learn and just get better for the next day. It's not always sunshine and rainbows, man. It's not always sunshine and rainbows. GU buyers, I'm in. You're in GU buyers, yeah? I'll probably be going for something like that, bro. 50% of that, aiming for here. It's probably what I'll be going for, bro, on GU. I'm probably not going to enter any of these trades myself, just because nothing's for me really looking that optimal. I do want to see GU continue, though, so I do think that could happen. Same with EU, really. Same with DXY. It's not really got any... There's nothing it should be stopping at now. DXY bearish. Bearish, you know. I see sells on GU. Yeah, I got in sales earlier, bro, but got absolutely cooked, so... Well, not absolutely cooked, I just got cooked. So I'm more looking at buyers, bro. We are switching bullish. So I agree, bro. I do think we are bullish on GU and EU. Don't really think higher time frame wise there's any reason not to. Yeah, we can see yen bar's continuing higher. So there's probably not going to be any entries for EJ or GJ. We'll keep our lower time frame marked out. Let me drag this across a little bit real quick. So we disrespected that inversion now anyway. So if we are reacting off anything, it is this order block here. UJ, I'll have a look at UJ in a sec, bro. I'll have a UJ in a sec. We're just waiting for lower time frame confirmations because the yen basket's at a decent point. It's filling a fair value gap, but hasn't showed any signs just yet of slowing down. So yeah, we've got our market structure shift area there, and then also our our fair value gap there. So we want to see it confirm on GJ, on EJ as well. You can see price just really just rejecting heavily, man. Got this order block here. Again, this is all on the 1 minute as well, so it's not massively good, but yeah, we've got our fair value gap there. We've got our market structure shift up here. So we'll keep our eye on that. Do we have any higher time frame? Like, not really. Not really, do we? DXY is definitely not bullish, especially with the current constraints. I mean, yeah, I think it's bearish, bro. Did I say it was bullish? I don't think I did. If I said that, I didn't mean to say that. I don't like the equal highs on DXY. There will be a lot of resting liquidity above it, in my opinion, before it sells off. Where, bro? What equal highs? Which ones, bro? Reckon long to that FEG, yeah, bro. Gold is lit, another all-time high today. Trust me, Zar, gold is absolutely popping. Hello, I was looking for sells on EU. Can you go over why you were looking for longs? I was looking at sells, bro. I was looking at sells initially. Once we got this initial move, that's when I was looking at sells on EU. So when DXY swept the low and had the inversion, that's when I was looking to get in. So I'll show you that on GU. So this one here. When price swept the high, swept the Asia high, and then we had the 15-minute inversion. That's when I tried to get in. That's when I wanted to get in shorts. So obviously got in there. And you can see ended up getting completely cooked. Stop loss there, TP there. And then obviously that one got cooked. So after it got cooked, I thought, alright, cool. Let's see, have a look at the DXY. See what it's potentially doing. And what I thought we could potentially have been moving off of was this order block here. Once we was at, obviously after we got stopped out, so there. So that was at the point where I got stopped out. It was kind of obvious that we weren't going to move off this order block. This price is obviously coming down so heavy and we've already stopped us out. So I thought, right, if we're not going to move off that order block, then we're probably going to trade down like quite a bit lower, at least at the bare minimum to this one here. Which obviously is a fair while away. So there's obviously going to be room to still enter before we get down there. Bro, isn't there PPI? Yeah, there is PPI, bro. What you got cooking on GU? Just looking at longs, James, bro. Daily bias for EU. Bullish, bro. EU sell once 1 hour FEG taps, I reckon. Yeah, potentially off that 1 hour. Potentially. That's probably going to be a PPI one, though. If we go on the daily, we're bullish. Like, the daily is just bullish. What we got to do really right now to hide all the noise is go on the daily. You can see on the daily, we've got daily order block. So we're coming off the daily order block. And we should be coming to the external high. Right, simple as that. We've got the order block. Should be coming to the external high. Simple as that. If we go on GU as well, same thing. We've got the order block. We should be coming to the external high. Right, again, simple shit really. That's what we got to do in these market conditions. We've got to go back to basics, keep it simple. Order block there, external high to trade into. Order block there, external high to trade into. DXY, order block there, external low to trade into. So that's really what we're looking at, to be honest, boys. That's really what we're looking at. Nothing too crazy. We want to just go back to basics. You can see the market's just chopping about so much, boys. Like a ridiculous amount. So yeah, we can see we swept the prior candle high and we've got the candle low hit. What the fuck? Got the candle low here to trade into. So yeah. Got this low volume area here which we're rejecting off of on the DXY. And we've got this high volume area here, so I'd ideally want to trade down into that. We look at GU. GU's rejected this value area here, so we're probably going to be wanting to trade into this value area here. What was annoying is we did have a really nice on GU, really nice fill of this fair value gap. CRT high swept, we got the low to trade into. I was hoping we could maybe have just taken out this low one more time before distributing higher, but doesn't look like that's going to happen now. And then EU, I don't know why it keeps stretching it out, that's jarring. But on EU, we've got the order block. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, EU, we've got this low volume area which we're rejecting off of. And we're kind of sitting back within this high volume area. So EU's a bit, in my opinion, going to be a little bit more difficult to catch, because EU's kind of going to be comfortable trading within here. And it might be a little bit of a challenge to come into this value area up here, into this pink area here. Whereas GU is not really at any area of high volume. And there's high volume up here, so price is going to be attracted to that up there. So yeah, I'm GU longs now in for that big candle wick. Fair play, bro. GJ confirmation. Oh shit, we got confirmation on GJ, yeah. Daily price on EU. Oh yeah, bullish, bro. Get yourself to Turkey, son. Yeah, I might actually go Turkey, to be fair. It wouldn't get my teeth or my hair done there though. Fuck that. I would definitely get my hairline when it's cooked, but it's not like overcooked, so there's not really no point. My teeth I wouldn't do. I wouldn't get my teeth done. I wouldn't get veneers. Fuck that. Someone shaving down my teeth. Are you mad? You look crazy. Someone shaving down your teeth. That's mad. Filled 4 hour DXY and GU filled equal higher range from CPI yesterday to the low. Right, as I said, you would have been valid after we got the inversion. Yeah, we did get that confirmation now on GU that we was looking for. We did get the confirmation we was looking for, boys. So you would be trying to go in off of a retest. Okay, we're kind of a little bit late on that. Obviously, a close above this high would be a lot nicer, don't get me wrong. But you're just looking to enter off a retap at a fair value gap. Same on EJ, really. And you probably got more chance of getting in. Nine pip stop. Oh, they're looking like his swings. Good lad, hairline is washed on. This guy's still too pressed, bro. What's your thoughts on Bitcoin? Did you buy some in the end when it was down at 62k? Nah, bro, I think Bitcoin's going to remain bearish. I've said this bare times. I think Bitcoin's going to remain bearish, bro, for a while, to be honest. I think we're going to remain bearish for a while. That's my analysis from years ago, bro. This is an old chart. You can see it's my analysis from time ago. Fucking hell, it was down there. Bro, that's crazy. That was when we was at 25k and I was analysing that. I'm going to have to go on this layout here to show you my Bitcoin. Alright. So basically with Bitcoin, I want it to remain bearish until this date here. This is when the simulation's going to resume, and we're going to make lows, and then eventually we're going to make a high again in... We're going to make a high on the 1st of... Oh, wait, no. The 1st of September 2029, we're going to make the next all-time high. And the 1st of October, Thursday the 1st of October 2026, we're going to make the new low. It's just a simple simulation is what is being run on Bitcoin right now. If you look from the first initial low to the high, 1,065 days. And then from the low to the high, 365 days, right? Low to the high, 1,065. High to the low, 365. Right, first high, 1065 to the high, 365 to the low. All right, let's look at the next high from the low to the high. 1066 days to the high, 365 days to the low. Let's look at the next one. From low to the high, current high, 1065 days. So again, we want it to take 365 days to get to the low. Simple simulation that has been running. That's all it is, boys. Simple simulation, chat. Right, GJ would have tapped that as well. Don't know if anyone's getting in on GJ, but you can defo get in now if you are looking to get him. Remember to book a call, boys. You can book a call in with me if you want. I'm long and gold from 15-minute order block. Fair play. What's the lowest pip stop loss you take, and is there any issues? I'd say 2 pip stop at the bare minimum, but really 3%, bro. I love you, mate. What's your average month? You want to aim for 5%, bro. 5% over a month is calm. So I said, we know EUG is bullish. It's just about trying to catch any trade we can. We know there's no chance of it being bearish because there's nothing for it to tap into. You can see that banging, fill of the fair value gap. And then straight price running down. Perfect. So after that fuckery earlier in the morning, price actually started to move a little bit better. Just in terms of blatantly being bullish. Where you from, bro? I'm from Essex, bro. What's your TP on gold, bro? All-time highs, bro. Now, don't be saying that I have pumped so much in now. Be at 1 mil in 3 years. Oh, shit. Maybe, bro. Maybe. You're better off dollar cost averaging Bitcoin. I'll be real. You're better off dollar cost averaging. What's your thoughts on gold? It seems weaker than silver, but still in demand. Yeah, I mean, it's not weak at all, bro. It's made its all-time high. You can see we did move off that 15-minute order block as well. It's made a new all-time high, like, overnight. So, yeah. Definitely strong, bro. Still strong as anything. Still strong as anything, boys. This is only the start of the push as well. It's going to be at 10k within the next 10 years. Is this GU, bro? No, this is gold, bro. Have you ever considered order flow? Yeah, I do trade some order flow, bro. Oh, Miles, lad, looking for people local. Fair play, Jake. Yeah, we have done bare link ups with the community before anyway. We have people come from all about everywhere. Manny, Leicester, Liverpool, bare people. What's your thoughts on gold? Seems weaker. Yeah, that's all because of the block reward adjustment cycle. Why do FTMO swing accounts have swap charges? A demo account anyway. Yeah, 'cause they're trying to simulate the live markets, bro. That's why. It's kind of annoying though, isn't it? It's kind of washed. Fucking hell. I mean, the yen basket's at a decent point, but it's just not showing any want to actually slow down. I've got an uncle for you, Lou. He can do teeth, hairline, haircuts as well. Bruv, tell him I want exactly what Bevo's got. Tell him I want the exact set of teeth that fucking Bevo's got. I want nothing different. If he's even a millimetre different from Bevo's, then I'm suing him. Tell him. I wanna look exactly like Bevo. I wanna be like his personality as well. He's just such a down to earth, humble guy. I actually wanna be like Bevo, bro. Everyone drop a follow, boys. Everyone sub to the YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, we've got 120 man in here right now on the YouTube, 50 man on the Tiki. GU, I'm bullish on GU, bro. Looking at buys off that 5-minute fair value gap. Should really continue high. There's no reason it shouldn't. No reason it shouldn't, boys. Quite low volume in all these points here, so price shouldn't really want to fuck about in it. We should just be able to run pretty soon. We should be able to run through it. I mean, the value area every day where it's got consistently higher. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, the value area shifted higher. Yeah, the market has not been rational. Trust me, bro. Trust me, kid. See the comments. Are you in GJ? Nah, bro. PPR, bullish or bearish? I think it's most likely going to be bearish, bro. About to tap in again. Again, man, we know the dollar's going one way and that's down. We're not in anything significant enough for us to move yet anyway. Let me drag across our... Let me put on our value area high, low, and... You know what I mean? We're going to want to come into this level. So that's an area of higher volume, so price just going to be attracted to that area. Mainly the POC, so we want price to at least trade down to the point of control, which should be a fair bit more, but at least enough to TP on EU and GU. Bro, move GU, bro. Stop taking the piss, man. EU as well. Can you get moving a little? Okay, EU's actually moving decent. That's calm. Yeah, all these JPYs are going to be cooked, boys. JPYs are going to be cooked. We might as well not even look at them anymore, I'll be real. JPYs are going to be absolutely cooked. Yeah, pretty shit down the market. 8 loss streak now. Fair play, Kevin. I mean, that is quite a lot. I can understand today that today has been terrible to trade. I mean, the only thing that's been good. Let me actually start deleting because I'm actually getting annoyed now. I've got so much different stuff on my charts. So much different stuff. I only want to be looking at EU and GU. I'm not going to be looking at anything else other than EU, GU because it's actually starting to piss me off switching between so many different pairs. But if you manage to get an EU or GU re-entry, buy, it's fair play. Even this here, this GU should still hit TP. It really, really should. Check Discord. Chart check. Now actually placing orders, it's going to see how price reacts once it gets here. Yeah, not something I'll be looking at, bro. Not something I'll be looking at. 15 minute, a load of people looking at this 15 minute FVG. Loads and loads of people looking at that. Loads of people looking at this 15 minute FVG. I'm more looking at the hourly one. It's there on the hourly as well. That's more what I'm looking at. But fair play. Can see why you would want price to come off that. Can see why. Higher time frame wise though, we kind of are bullish just on the daily. You know, as I said, off that old internal order block to the external high. What should I drop risk? Nah, bro, I wouldn't drop risk. What's your TP on GU? It's the top of that fair value gap, bro. Bro, GU, sorry, fucking move. It's the bottom of that fair value gap, sorry. 12 pips from the fair value gap. I'm tempted to wait for next week, to be honest. Fair play, bro. Yeah, there's no need to rush straight in. They reckon Trump could be going into Iran immediately, most likely playing on the markets. Yeah, Trump's just doing whatever he wants, isn't he? 4-hour FVG, 15-minute market structure shift for the OTE. That's what they doing. Wait, what? Who's that? What do you mean that's what they doing? NQ coming to a decent buy zone. NASDAQ's been dropping peak though this morning. Yeah, on the 4-hour, yeah, it could be a decent level. Bro, I don't know why people glaze NASDAQ. The price action's actually terrible, bro. Now look at this price action on the daily. How do people glaze that? How on earth do people glaze this price action, bro? Like, look at it. It's got no structure. We haven't come out of the high or low in months. Made a low in November 25 and have just been trading within it. Bro, the market's just on a peak squeeze. Like, it's all it's doing is just squeezing. High and low, which we're unable to break out of. Then another high and low, which we haven't broken out of. And then, well, to be fair, we finally came out of it. Probably why we're selling off, because we've been trading within that for fucking months. Don't know why people glaze it so much. NASDAQ is washed. London price action is dead. Yeah, it is dead this morning. NASDAQ is washed. I don't really like it, bro, anywhere near as much as what people glaze it. Like, people rate it too much, bro. Like, what is this? Like, what is this price action, bro? I get it, because you do know for a fact that the move is happening during the New York session. That's kind of the benefit of it, but it's like, bro, it'll literally do one candle, then drop. One candle and drop. It's just fucking... Yeah, it's not very consistent. I might go on a bike ride as life is stressing me out in this drawdown. Yeah, go touch grass, bro. You'll get that drawdown back anyway. It is what it is. If you blow the account, you blow the account. Just buy another one. It's not the end of the world. Do you know what I mean? Nice, Kevin. Not gonna lie, bike rides are actually sick. Not gonna lie, you two sound mad autistic right now, but I kind of rate it because bike rides are pretty sick. I've got to agree with you on that one. Bro, do you have any vids on internal and external market structure? I get caught up so much. In the yeah, in the mentorship I do, bro. You in the mentorship? You want to come, Lou? I'm gonna pass. I'm actually pass on that. Again, let the digs. Well, we nice continuing down. Any news today? Yeah, we got PPI later, bro. Stay with GU. I want to jump in the shower so badly, bro. I feel horrible. I ain't had a shower yet this morning. Can I book a call with you, am I still? But no, you can book a call, bro. You can book a call, bro. What's your confidence for the GU trade, bro? Just basically that was blatantly expanding higher on the DXY, or lower, sorry, on the DXY. If you just literally just ignore everything, ignore everything on the higher time frame. Basically, essentially, after we started, we took the Asia low here, and we thought there could potentially be buyers after sweeping the Asia low. After we tried to sweep it, we just had a few candles bearish, which just confirmed that we're going to be bearish. That's literally it. It's literally it, bro. Like we wanted price to sweep the Asia low. Sweep the Asia low and get into buys. But you can see that just didn't happen. We swept the Asia low, moved up, and then broke structure to the downside. After it done that, it confirmed it was probably just going to be a bearish morning for DXY. That's about it, bro. GU respect and equal highs. We've got this hourly FVG here as well. I'd like to see it push up into that. What FVG have I got highlighted? Daily. Both got decent 30-minute levels. I do still think we're going to continue higher, boys. I do. Again, man, what's the DXY got to react off? It's got nothing. It's got fuck all to react off right now. It's genuinely got niche to react off. Going to be drawn back into the point of control as well. Think about it. We've got a low volume node here which was rejected. Low volume node here which was rejected. And we've got high volume at this point here. So price is going to want to trade into this. It just is going to be attracted to it. GU moving back up. Yeah, nice. After that 1 minute. EU as well, nice. EG buyers. Let's have a look. GJ stopped out. Yeah, as we said, JM basket's just not slowing down. Looks decent on the 4 hour, but it's just not slowing down yet. Want to wait for it to actually slow down, and then there should be decent trades there. Let's check EG. I never actually really check EG recently because it's kind of unserious of a pair, but it's been very bearish recently. Very bearish. Very bearish. Just taking that monthly CRT low as well. What are you saying, Yakub? Bullish on gold, bro. If I missed any comments, boys, just put them in the chat again. If someone followed me, then I would have missed it. Get in the Discord, you man, as well, boys. It's where we do everything. Biggest community of London traders on Discord, man. If you're trying to pop some coins, if you're trying to pop some trades off, boys. If you're trying to make some dough on them in the morning sessions, get in the Discord, man. We're making dough all the time over there. We've got a massive community of people all cooking. If you're trying to lock in. Don't know, man. It looks kind of... We got CRT. We got a lot of CRT, but we're just so bearish, though. I do get it. We got CRT of this low to this high. You got CRT of this candle's low as well. And we've also got it in the opposing direction. So how much can we really gauge from that? What are you saying, Genie? Got this massive order block on the hourly. YouTube.com's growing though, boys. YouTube.com is fucking growing. I rate that. I rate that. If you want to watch it on TikTok, go over to the YouTube.com. Get in the YouTube.com. The lives are growing, boys. We sit at over 100 man basically the whole live now, which is cold. That's what we got to last time. We sit over 100 man, and then we'll just get it up to them 200 man numbers. So I rate that. Big up to all the OGs in the YouTube. Dubs in the chat if you're an OG, boys, in the YouTube. Good, my boy. Yeah, I'm all good, bro. I'm all good, Genie. Is that... Do I know you, Genie? Oh, yeah, OG, yeah. Are you moving? Yeah, there could potentially be EG buys. Just your entry's going to be a bit difficult, bro. You know, I'd probably go off of this order block to get in. You're going to have at least a 2-pip stop. So I'd go for a 2-pip stop like that. And aim for this high up here. 15 to 1. Calm. Nah, I wouldn't aim for all the way up there, obviously, boys. With EG, you kind of want to get in and out. That's the main key of it. So I just aim for this high, little 2.5 to 1. Simple as that. I mean, that's only 5 pips, so you might want to do a little bit more up here. Alright, Boomy, you hit. No, bro, I've been following you, man, for time. No, oh, come on. Come on, Genie. Big up to all the OGs. Dub Rippy, Dub Jed, Nick, Mehmet, Cole, Katz, Vigok. Big up to you, man. All the OGs in the chat. I rate that. Equilibrium 2-hour order block. DXY and a 4-hour FVG. Yeah, we are in a 4-hour FVG. GU trolling, yeah, facts. I'm more looking at this 30-minute fair value gap though, bro. More looking at this 30-minute. EU's filled that hourly, which is nice. What's DXY? DXY again doesn't come into anything, so really I'm just looking at I'm just really looking at getting back in. So where are we most likely to get back in? Okay, we're about to get this 15-minute fair value gap and order block. So what I want is then DXY to continue up to this order block here, and then again reverse. So what point is this? Basically around the 1020 candle. See where the 1020 candle is. See if we can get any re-entries for a sec. Let's hide this. 1020, we're already lower than that. So we're seeing SMT there. 1020 being there. Yeah, so that's the equivalent of coming down there. To be fair, I would rather on EU at least this bit here. Rather that fair value there. Bearing in mind, overall, boys, we are bullish on a higher time frame. GU again, even though it's moving a bit mad right now, we are bullish on a higher time frame. Where could we be moving to for another entry? Might want to tap into this order block again for like the fucking 10th time. W, what about me? What about Kevin? I'm an OG. Yeah, dub Kevin, the OG. I mean, Kevin... Yeah, to be fair, Kevin is an OG. Kevin is OG. Be the next entry, potentially. I still just really don't think DXY is going to reverse to this area. So any time we're moving lower, I just see it as a reason to just buy. It's just a discount for buys. That's all I really see it as. 15-minute order block on DXY, tap and up. Yeah, we've got this 15 minutes. What I'm saying, we've even still got a full to get to this anyway, so it's one of them. It's like, we should be so good. The only thing, obviously, we got to the order block and we've gone down, up, down. Got to the order block, went down, up, and then started to move down again. So we just want that to continue. Same with GU. Got to that daily order block and we've gone up, down, and then started to go up again. So we want that to continue up. And then EU as well. You see, up, down, and then started to go up. So we want it to continue up past that high. And then obviously in terms of the volume, EU's not looking too nice at volume because we're trading within this area here. So it's going to be quite hesitant to leave it. It's going to be comfortable trading in and around that. Once we get above this area, we should start to fly with a bit more momentum. But that's why GU's a bit nicer, because GU is right now not really at a point of massive momentum. It's not a point of low momentum, it's just standard. But we've got this high volume point here, this high volume node, and this low volume node here. So it's a lot easier for GU to just run through, in my opinion, up to that high. It's got an objective above that high, basically, whereas EU doesn't massively have an objective above that high. It's a bit further away. So above that high, EU's not got an objective till like here. And then DXY, you can see similar thing. DXY is kind of like EU. It's got this objective here to trade into. It should really hit the POC of that little range. Got a high volume there and then high volume here. So yeah, we want to trade properly into this range. You can see we've got the value area high, value area low, and then point of control. So we're in the value area, so we are within that range, but we just want to go down to POC, which is basically what we're assuming is going to happen. So, again, I don't see any reasons for reversals right now. All I see is chances to get into more buys. If we can come a little bit lower, that would actually be calm. But, yo, what you saying, Connor? Life low-key good, man. When I think about trading, I get depressed. But when I look at the bigger picture, I'm chilling. I've got uni next week. 30. What you doing at uni, bro? Appreciate the rose, Felix. GU trolling, yeah, facts. What are you saying, Connor? Fuck's sake, the sell limit set on a UFEG 50-minute. It hit, but I cancelled. But I cancelled order before. Oh, what a sell at the 50-minute fair value. Yeah, I wouldn't be too worried, bro. I mean, I don't think we're going to sell off anyway, so I wouldn't be too worried about that, man. DXY is bearish, man, and it will remain like that. It's got no reason to not be. So it's just going to remain bearish, bro. I'm in EU longs already. Nice, Juicer. Nice. Bro, stop flattening it, bro. So jarring. So jarring. Fucking hell, man. Why does it do that? GU is shite. What do you think can happen with gold? No all-time highs, bro, for sure. No all-time highs today again. The GU is pretty shite. Looking nice, though. This is GU, bro. Says in the bottom right. EJ sweat previous low. I'm long. Yeah, he used JPY pairs looking shit, bro. Looking shit. We didn't even sweep it on this broker either. On Oanda. Literally banged on at least. Bang on the same. EJ, GJ, shit, man. JPY pairs look shit. Shit as anything. Shit as anything. We're a decent point, but price is just giving no, like, it's not showing that it wants to sell off at all. It's just not showing one bit it wants to sell off, so I'll be a bit hesitant on it, to be honest, bro. Where's Bumba at? Did you block him? Who's Bumba, bro? Is that EU? No, this is GU, bro. Why GU instead of EU, bro? No, we're looking at both, bro. We're looking at both. You can see that it's just that EU's already closed out, so. Okay, EG actually might be coming down for an entry real soon. I think GU is fucked. I might exit. I mean, I wouldn't, bro. I mean, everything's on your side. There's no reason to exit. But I mean, it's up to you, innit? I mean, if you got to look at the DXY, bro, what's the DXY going to be reacting off? There's nothing there. There's nothing for it to react off, bro. Again, if you go on the daily chart, just think about it. The daily chart bearish off this order block. Should be bearish to that external low, but we want to see what potentially on this way down, what might give us a bit of kickback up that we need to avoid. So all there really is our current range there to there is at the bare, well, the earliest really, considering that's pretty much in the premium of the range as well, from high to low, is this order block here is the first test really for price to then potentially come higher. Still think we'll come lower, but that's the first test. And then obviously volume as well. We're in this value area here. We're in this value area here from where my face is, from there. So yeah, we want to come into the POC of that. Want to obviously trade into the point of control, into that, and then we can go wherever we want from there. But we want to go into the POC. So I think anything that's coming up on, anytime we come up on DXY, it's the reason to get into better entries on GU. So honestly, it's just my thoughts on it, bro. Even on this fair value, if you want to tap again. If we want to tap again, sweet, that's just a better entry for us. Better stop loss, better entry. Calm, tap in if you want, you know what I mean? Just realistically don't think the DXY's got anything to move off, so. You know what I mean? As we said, it's got this 15 minute, it's the order block there. We got the fair value gap just underneath it, so that's what we're going to be filling at the max, which ain't really a lot. I've got a risk interview, fair play, bro. Done for passing your challenge though. I've got a job interview at 2 AM on my cook chat. Bro, you are cooked, man. What do you mean a job interview at 2 AM? What are you working to be, a fucking drug dealer? Need EJ to push through this 5 minute. Wait, what 5 minute? I don't think there is a 5 minute IFEG, bro. The next fair value gap's up here. We've obviously reacted off that and come lower, so it's probably be this one. Nah, 2 p.m. I mean, I don't know how I scammed an interview at Moncler. Oi, Monclizzy. They probably pay you alright in there. It's probably a decent little job to get, bro, on the side. It's not really that, like, them retail jobs are good if you're trying to trade in it. I think he means 2. Am I cooked? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Why is there bare price labels? Get them off. Should really push into this. If we want to come up, we know where we're going to be coming up to. Let me send this one in actually, just so people know, innit? Do we have any fair value gap lower? Not really. We've got this tiny 15-minute. Let me put a different tune on you in this trade now, bro. Trying to get in the re-entry though. Oh shit, I just realised I had my Spotify that whole time. I could have just played that. Bro, do you rate that I work at Waitrose or you think I'm a brokey? Waitrose is actually probably the best retail, like it's definitely the best supermarket job to have. But you're still a brokey for that, but it's still it's a calm job, innit? It's a calm job. Waitrose is actually a good place to work at, no cap. I mean, I've never worked there myself, but... Alright, let's see if this one comes in, chat. Oh shit, it already has. Okay then. What's your bias for EU? I like the way you spelt that, bro. E-U. I kind of rate that. That's kind of cold. My bias is just higher, bro. Just think we're going to continue higher. We're filling this fair value gap on EU. Looks like we're going to continue higher for that fair value gap. GU, move, bro. Stop taking the piss, please. Again, we should just be moving just standard up. GU's kind of weak right now, though. I mean, the pound's kind of weak right now, though. It's 11 o'clock, though, chat, so I'm probably not going to jump in any more trades past this point. Are you coming to the 15-minute? Yeah, nice. Right, I'm going to jump off now though, boys, because we have been on live for a while. We have been on live. Do you ever trade New York session? Sometimes I'll trade New York session, bro. But 90% of the time, my trades come during London session. 90% of the time. Plus, thing with New York session, you've got news all the time as well, so it's so hard to trade it. Obviously, London session is so much easier to trade, but if you rate the way we trade, boys, make sure you get in the GU cook. Nah, GU's not cook, bro. Fair play. I like London, New York both equally. Fair play. Can see why people would like both, but yeah, big ups to you, man. Make sure you get in the Discord community. If you want to book a call with me, you can book a call. Be careful when you join the Discord combos. There'll be a lot of fake accounts messaging you. But listen, if you actually want to lock in, it's a free Discord. If you actually want to start making money out of these charts, get in the Discord, boys. You need to be in a community where people are actually getting shit done. You can't just cope on your own and think you're going to be good, or be in some shitty little spammy Telegram. You need to be in a Discord where people are actually based and actually know what they're doing. And our Discord's based. People know what they're doing. We got people that have been trading for years and years and years in there. But yeah, you man, if you want to get in, Discord's linked on my page. So yeah, boys, everyone get in that, man. Let me know what you're thinking. If you want to send me a DM as well, my name on there is Louis. You can just send me a DM. I'll put it in the free chat right now. Someone just said W live. I'm just going to put yo. And just drop me a message, man. My name is Gold. I've still got some DMs to reply to, so I'm replying to them all now. Let me know if you want to get in the signals or the mentorship, boys, or if you just want to chill in the free chat. That's calm. But yeah, big up everyone. Appreciate all the dubs in the chat as well. Thoughts on CRT entry model rather than bias. Prefer it as a bias, bro, but you can definitely use it as an entry model. Yeah, dub Mehmet, dub Cats Dogs, dub Jed, dub Trap as well. Big up to all you, man. Into that all got now. Could have entered there. But yeah, appreciate all you man watching, and I'll catch you in the next live, boys. Sweet. That TikTok weren't as good as yesterday. Oh, it was nowhere near as good. That TikTok was washed, bro. That TikTok was washed. Why was that TikTok washed? Why was that TikTok washed? I don't know. But yeah, chat, I appreciate you, man, tuning in. Big up to all you, man, and I'll catch you in the next live, people. Sweet.